My friend, take left.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bark, bark.
Excuse me, sir?
Bark, bark. Stop here.
Okay.
Habibi, I told you 2 times to bark. Why you not understand me?
But, sir, why should I bark? I came for driving, not for barking.
If you don't know how to bark, who will pass you? I will not pass you. You go to office, you need to bark. You go somewhere with your friend, you need to bark. Your driving is good, I check. But if you don't know how to bark, sorry, one chance, bark or go home.
Sir, for the first time I'm listening for driving test, we need to bark.
I don't know who gave you training. First, we are there to give training to bark. Then only drive. If you don't know how to bark, mashallah. Who will give you this? I don't know.
Sir, I don't know how to bark.
Don't tell me you don't know how to bark. Everyone has to learn. Habibi, as a friend, I'm telling you. First, my wife don't know how to bark. Now she bark. Wallah, she bark better than me. Wherever we go, she bark. Try.
Okay, sir, if you're saying your wife also bark and barking is very important for driving test.
If you'll take this much of time, someone will come and bark.
Okay, sir, I will bark.
1 minute, you have to bark.
Okay, sir. I will try. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow.
What is this? What are you doing?
Sir, you told me to bark nicely, then I will get license.
You're not a human being.
Sir, your wife also bark nicely. Sir, bow, bow.
You're not a human being. You're not
I
a human